Does your Canon camera keep refocusing on its own even when you don't want it to? That's the continuous AF mode, which can be helpful or a bit annoying depending on what you're shooting. In this video, I'll show you how to turn continuous AF on or off on your Canon camera. Let's just set it up the way you want. Turn on your camera, set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Press the menu button. Next, press the right arrow to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Look for the continuous AF option. Select that option. Press the set button. You'll see two choices, enable and disable. To turn it on, select enable. When enabled, your camera will keep focusing automatically in live view even when you're not shooting. To turn it off, select disable. With disable, your camera will focus only when you have pressed the shutter button or use back button focus. Choose the option that suits you best. After selecting, press the set button to save it. And that's it. Now you know how to turn continuous AF on or off on your Canon camera. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.